Unlike what we saw yesterday, today live Doppler 2HD is much quieter. There may still be a few patchy areas of some drizzle or a few flurries out there, but it's going to be too light to be detected by the radar. So we'll take this quieter weather as we start out the new year. Throughout the day today, though, we have had cloudy skies, no sunshine out there today, and as we continue into the overnight hours, we will continue with those cloudy skies. Big change in temperature, though. Yesterday we were running very, very warm for this time of the year, and today we are running 21 degrees colder compared to this time last night. Currently, we have 39 degrees in Fairborn as well as in Xenia, 40 degrees in Moraine, and 40 degrees in Vandalia. With those clouds today, the temperature really hasn't budged very much at all. Currently in Dayton at 40, the wind is so much lighter right now out of the west at 3 miles an hour, and the barometer is at 30.26 inches. As we end December, here's a look at how everything stacked up. The average temperature for the month was 36.8 degrees, which was actually running above average by as much as 5.6 degrees. We had over 4.5 inches of rain, which again was a surplus of rainfall for the month of December. The highest it got in December was a 64 degrees set back on the 2nd, and the coldest low was 17 set back on the 10th. As we take a look at the satellite and radar together, you can see here we are not the only ones under a deck of clouds. Almost the entire eastern seaboard, all the way back to Nebraska and down towards Kansas, everybody's seeing cloudy skies today. Just a ton of moisture here working its way up towards the north and east. The only locations that are seeing wet weather right now is across parts of Georgia and South Carolina. We are under the influence of a weak area of high pressure, and that is going to continue with dry conditions for at least a couple days. For this evening, though, we're looking at cloudy skies throughout the evening, temperatures slowly dropping into the middle 30s. As we look at future track here through tonight and tomorrow, we're looking at generally cloudy skies and very uneventful weather, which is sometimes a good thing that it's not going to be too crazy out there. By Wednesday night, though, we'll start to see some of those clouds erode a little bit, and we'll see mostly cloudy skies. But your forecast for the rest of tonight, 27 degrees will be that overnight low, cloudy skies continuing, and during the evening hours, there still may be a little bit of a sprinkle out there, or maybe even a flurry, but again, too light to be detected by radar. Tomorrow, similar temperatures as today. We'll see high temperatures close to 40 degrees and generally cloudy skies. This is about normal for this time of the year. Normal high is about 35, 36 degrees, so we're not too far off from that. As we look at that extended forecast here going into the first weekend of 2019, looks like by Friday night we will see some clouds roll in and maybe bring in a chance of rain Friday night into Saturday morning. And then Sunday looks beautiful, close to 50 degrees, and then another bigger storm system coming in early next week.
You mentioned that uneventful weather sometimes being better. Compared to yesterday,
yes.
We'll certainly take this.
Yes.
Not much going on. Thanks.